Imagine a world where every sweet aroma drifting on the breeze is a secret message. These alluring scents are crafted through a complex blend of molecules designed to attract the perfect pollinator. Over millions of years, natural selection has fine-tuned these fragrances, matching them to specific bees, butterflies, or birds. Each species is drawn to unique notes, from spicy to fruity, ensuring they visit and transfer life-giving pollen. This invisible communication guarantees survival, forming intricate partnerships that shape the diversity of the natural world.